Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into OneDrive with the account that holds the file. This authenticates access and shows available storage. Once signed in, navigate to the folder path where your file lives so you don't download the wrong version. Make sure sync is enabled if you plan to use the OneDrive desktop app, if using the web, upload, or verify file presence. These steps let you control versioning and avoid conflicts when you retrieve the file. Once you locate the file, decide how to get it. Click Download to save a local copy, use Open in browser for quick viewing, or Sync to keep an up-to-date local folder. If multiple edits exist, open version history to restore or pick the correct iteration before downloading. This prevents overriding important changes. Make sure to select the appropriate file format if the site offers conversions, and confirm the download destination on your device so you can find the file immediately. Finish by opening the downloaded file to confirm it's intact and matches the expected size and content. This proves the transfer succeeded. If the file is missing or wrong, use OneDrive's version history or recycle bin to recover earlier copies or restore deletions. If downloads fail, make sure your network is stable, you're under storage limits, and you're signed into the correct account. If necessary, reattempt sync or sign out and back in to refresh permissions and resolve token issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.